Let's unbox this Hyper Tough Brushless Extended Reach Ratchet. It has a 3-year limited warranty, so this is new to 2026. The last ratchet was brushed, this one is brushless. It looks like they have newer versions of other tools as well. Made in China. "12-volt, 1.5 amp hour battery. This is a refresh of the old battery. This one has a battery life indicator on the battery itself. This one also uses USB-C to charge the battery, which is a great addition to the tool. You press it on the sides to release it from the tool. It comes with a charger and a charging cable. The output is 5 volts at 2 amps for a total of 10 watts. The charging cable is USB-A to USB-C cable. Let's check out the manual real quick. A lot of basic stuff. Here is some information on the battery life indicator on the ratchet. 1 LED means less than 30% battery life, 2 LEDs means less than 70%, and 3 means fully charged. Take a look here. Sockets are not supplied on this one. So my older brush version came with 2 free 10mm sockets. This one doesn't come with any. Here's the ratchet. You can see their new logo right here. It has a lock button just like the brush version. The grip feels rubbery. Here's the 3/8 driver. Here's where you can change the direction of the rotation. This new battery is a little tricky to install compared to the brush version. It sounds great. This guy came fully charged already. It is variable speed. This is so cool. I almost forgot about this light. It automatically turns off after a few seconds. Here are the specs of the motor: up to 230 RPMs, 440 inch-pounds of torque. That's equivalent to 36 foot-pounds. It weighs about 2.5 pounds. I think that's with the battery. Here are some detail shots. On the right is the brushless version, and the left is the brushed version. Here's the older brush version. The new battery does fit. This is what the brush version sounds like. Let's compare that to this new brushless version. Here's the old battery. And it fits the new brushless ratchet. I was actually super excited when I saw it for sale. I bought it off the Walmart website and the total was $65.72. I can't wait to put this thing to use. So that's the end of this unboxing video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and I'll see you in the next video.